In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your device. When the app is open, look for 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap them to open the menu. Find a gear icon, also in the top right corner, and tap it. Scroll down until you see blocking under audience and visibility and tap it. You'll see a list of accounts you've blocked. To unblock someone, tap Unblocked next to their username. A confirmation will pop up. Tap Unblock to confirm. After unblocking, that account won't be on your blocked list anymore. Remember, if you want to block the same account again, you'll need to wait for 48 hours before you can do it. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.